Hi guys, we are back on your screen once again, and this is Nkonkonsa Hub. Someone when him say send ye Nkonkonsa Hub soon. I am Irabin and I'm here with my co-host
H0T, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poleeno Multimedia and follow us on Instagram at Poleeno_com. We are waiting now but to yasum say James down for in Kolani in Penny for Ababa one and Bema. Asenya omo person ko say die Nigeria for ye na ye omo fe mabna me Nigeria for ye no Ghana for fe me ti mo papa
So yes, Remon penny for and watch video yi. Cause that's a video ne by no bian kasa. I say agro. But yet you no man na I say Nigeria the akufo-addo, and then it will affect we also. Please, this thing we shouldn't take it for granted, and then the leaders and our journalists should also come together to put an end to this.
Nigeria for the no you say police ni so who are or so your conform no we should to say po or so your conform no should to say pay. And a politics in Sembe Shishemu, Buhari or mo president Asembe mu. Yes, and there's a one mana police near to say pay now the fem. And there's a one mania the sick I say kind now the fem.
And yes, resem week here.
And yes, resem I'm see Jamestown when your more cried and swing ni back say almost two woe NDC for and chain, NPP for and chain, and the bubon no motor. And there's one year like never buboni couch I'm so the fem.
But the funny thing is, politics is just a game. Last week, a video came out, and then we realized our politicians, they exchange their political dresses, and then they were jubilating, rejoicing. We've seen all these videos. Their children are outside the country, jubilating and enjoying. And I hear one year to two poor. Abra ye can say, "Yeah, mommy, no, almost two. We mommy in toast. Be asking no more tongue." See, this is so sad. We shouldn't take this as a joke. Our leaders should come to our aid and make this year's politics a peaceful one.
Me pa chow mahama ne nana do omo tisi omo fie. Wa wuni baby dampo. Would you mechi se woni on ye politics o ye politics. Se wotuma mahama ana wotuma nanado. De hia ne se Ghana bakoya ne ewom. Se wo se Ghana himfa ne yeko. Mahama baso nanado baso Ghana ne ewom no omo be ma osika shobotom wa na obeye wa adwuma ahwe won ne womba ahwe wo fie inti ekun efri hefa me pamacho me sremo mo ma ye hwe ye husu ye ye ntutu nyema so ne ye mfa nyema sisi ye nte na Ghana fo Ghana enye den ense ma ye tese na Nigeria se Ghana se ye dwane akwa ye rabna ye dwane akwa bebi ani hwa ye beko sisi awe
wait to the wajin swaba, and then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I am Irabina
and I am H0T. See you same time.